Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Plex, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles and locate the screen recorder. Now it looks like it's not added by default, so we're going to click right here on Edit and scroll down, and you can see it right over here, Screen Recorder. We're going to grab it by holding it, drag it, drop it, click on the check mark to save the changes, and you can see it right here. Click on it, allow whatever it wants, and start now. This will begin recording in 3 seconds. Once you click on the this red area, it will automatically stop your screen recorder and save it into your photos. Now, there was a reason why I actually wanted to open up Netflix and spend a little bit, probably too much time on it, but that is because Netflix uses DRM, and this is basically just a way of giving you the most bullshit reason or naming to prevent you from using your device to its fullest potential. So, see, is it updated? I do want to kind of point that out. So even though I wouldn't be signed in here, I'm not signed in and I didn't agree to terms of privacy policy. I haven't even installed this application myself as it came with the device. This garbage app can still change things like for instance, screen recorder, even though you never gave it permission to do anything. So if you ever encounter that your screen recorder ends up just being straight up black screen, just know that whatever you were trying to record was kind of being like, no, you're being bad boy, we're not allowing you to record this, and we decide what you can do on your device. So yeah, now let's look at the actual screen recorder, which, like I mentioned before, will be in our photos or gallery application, depending on which one you use. In the gallery, I think it is, it's going to be visible right at the front, as you can see right over here. But if you're planning to use photos, which I had visible somewhere, where was it? There we go, photos. You will want to navigate to collections. Ooh, what the hell just happened? So I'm gonna go collections, videos, and you can see it right here. So there we go. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.